How to make rock candy geodes your kids will love. Rock candy geodes are fast becoming a trend among bakers making geode cakes, cupcakes, and cookies that are so Instagrammable. It's also taking Pinterest by storm. You can also make them just to be enjoyed as rock candies. How to make rock candy geodes. There are two parts to this activity. The first part is making the shell, the second part is making the sugar crystals. How to make the hard shell. The hard shell is made of gum paste. It's a fondant icing that is commonly used in cakes. You can buy ready-made gum paste or you can make one on your own using the below recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound marshmallow, 1 pound confectioner's sugar, shortening, gum-tex powder, black food coloring, peppermint flavor extract. Other things you will need: silicone cake pop molds, tin foil, candy thermometer. Instructions. Step 1: Melt the marshmallows in microwave. Place on high heat for 1 minute and 20 seconds, take out and stir every 15. Step 2: Add in the confectioner's sugar and mix until well blended and cool enough to be kneaded. Step 3: Coat a portion of your countertop or board with some sugar, then coat your hands with shortening and start kneading the sugar dough. Step 4: When dough is flexible enough, sprinkle a little gum-tex on top and knead again until well combined. Step 5: Cut the gum paste in two and add in the flavoring. Step 6: Set aside 1/2 of the gum paste and add food coloring to the other half. I mixed a few drops of black coloring with water to lighten the color a bit. Step 7: Leave both for at least 2 hours. Step 8: After 2 hours, roll out both the white and colored gum paste. Step 9: Wet the colored gum paste lightly and stick it to the white one. Step 10: Roll and cut it according to the size you need for your molds. Step 11: Line the molds with foil for easier removal of the shells later. Step 12: Press the gum paste into your mold and let it harden in a warm and dry area for 24 hours. The white side should be the one showing on top when you mold your gum paste. How to make the crystals. 1/2 cup of water, 2 cups granulated sugar, blue food coloring, raspberry flavoring extract. Instructions. Step 1: Make a supersaturated sugar solution by boiling together 1/2 cup of water and 2 cups of sugar over medium heat. Step 2: Bring to a boil and ensure your mixture reaches 237 degrees Fahrenheit using a candy thermometer. Step 3: Remove the pan from the heat before you add in the flavoring extract and food coloring, and let it cool for a bit. Step 4: Set the molds in tin foil with the gum paste shells still on it. Make sure the size of the tin foil is enough to cover each mold later on. Step 5: Pour the cooled syrup into the gum paste shells. Step 6: Slowly wrap the tin foil around the mold, fold it to ensure that the gum paste shells and syrup are completely. Step 7: Leave in a warm place undisturbed for at least 1 week. Step 8: Unwrap the molds and turn upside down to drain the excess liquid end. Carefully release each shell and leave unturned for a couple of days to dry. Step 9: Your geodes should be ready after 2 days of drying. Serve and let the kids enjoy.